In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Mailchimp API smoothly and efficiently. Mailchimp, being a widely used marketing automation platform and an email marketing service, offers robust functionality for your marketing needs through its API. Accessing the API can open up a range of possibilities for integrating your applications, automating your email campaigns, and much more. First off, let's dive into the process of logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email, followed by your password. It's crucial to ensure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed in your login details, click on the login button to access your Mailchimp dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage campaigns, view reports, and of course access API keys. Upon successfully logging in, the next step involves navigating to your profile, which can be found in the top right corner of your Mailchimp dashboard. Click on your profile image or name, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Profile, as this will take you to a page with more specific settings regarding your Mailchimp account. Inside your profile, you'll notice several tabs offering different kinds of account information and settings. Look for the Extras tab. It's a little treasure trove of additional Mailchimp features and functionalities, including the much-needed API keys section. Clicking on Extras will unfold a menu containing several options, amongst which API keys will be your destination for today. After clicking on API keys, you're taken to a segment of Mailchimp that deals exclusively with API access and management. For those who might be new to this, API keys are essentially passwords that allow applications to communicate with each other. In Mailchimp's context, they enable your applications to interact with your Mailchimp account, facilitating automation and integration processes. At this stage, if you haven't previously generated any API keys, your screen might look a bit barren. But worry not, creating a new API key is as simple as clicking on the Create a Key button. This action generates a unique API key for your use. Upon creation, the key will appear in a list, complete with details about when it was created, and an option to label it for easier management. Labeling your API keys is a good practice, especially if you plan to use multiple keys for different applications or purposes. Remember, your API key is sensitive information. It's essentially a key to your Mailchimp account, and you should guard it as diligently as you would your password. Avoid sharing it unnecessarily, and only use it in secure environments. With your newly created API key, you're now ready to embark on the journey of integrating and automating with Mailchimp. Whether it's syncing subscriber data from your application, automating email campaigns based on user actions, or something else, the API key is your gateway to a more connected, automated marketing workflow. And that's about it for accessing your Mailchimp API key. I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable. Remember to keep your API key secure and happy integrating. Should you encounter any issues or have further questions, Mailchimp support and documentation are comprehensive resources that can offer the assistance you might need. As you progress with your projects, keep exploring and leveraging the power of Mailchimp's API to enhance your marketing efforts.